Hello. Testing. Hi, ate. Even though nagkakatampuhan tayo, still, ikaw pa rin yung ate ko. Sabi nga nila, magkamukha daw tayo. Diba? Hindi obvious. Siyempre magkapatid tayo. Kaya lang, mas maganda boses ko sa'yo. Right now, habang nire-record ko to, medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko. Actually, hindi ako nakapasok sa trabaho. Kasi, may sakit na ako. I'm suffering dito na 3 days na. Pero syempre, trabaho pa rin. Syempre, birthday mo na. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best, the happiness for you and for your family, and for our family as well. You really don't know how much I miss you. The only reason why I'd like to be there with you is because I missed you. And walang masamang mangarap na mas mataas. Because my motto now is keep moving forward, you know. Ayokong huminto sa mga bagay na alam mo na mga pagkakamali, nadapa ako minsan. Siyempre, kung saan ako nadapa, doon ako tatayo. That's what I've learned. And, siyempre, mahal kita. Mahal ko kayo ng family natin. Don't think na mayroon akong priority kesa sa inyo. Because all of you are my priorities. That's maybe the reason that's why I'm still single until now. But, you know, still happy birthday. I love you. This song's for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Diba? Saya-saya. Anyways, this is my room. Apat kami dito. Dito yung dalawang kasama namin. Dito si Kuya Romel. Ito yung kwarto ko. If I need privacy, I will just close this one. And this is all of the things I've earned. I have here my portable DVD, the cups, my collections, and the other stuff. Here. My MediaCom is here, the TV is there. And marami pa. I'll show you things. Nasa may susi ko. These are my shoes under my bed. Those are the shoes that I have. And so many things. Nakatago dyan. Wala, simple lang yung room. It's very simple. Yan. I'll show you. That's my stuffs. Yan, mga... Yan. Yeah, that's mine. That is my video, okay? May lampshade. Alam mo naman ako mahilig ako sa lampshade. And that's it, yan. Mga napupulot lang namin yan sa basura. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I'll show you. These are my things, actually. Ayan. Yan. Yan ang gulo ng gamit ko. Ang gulo, di ba? Yan ang mga gamit ko. That's it. It's my cup collections. These are my foods. Ayan, wala na akong pagkain, wala na akong stock. So, ayan. Yan yung mga, ayan, this is my cabinet. Ayan, that's it. Ayan, marami pa. Ayun, yun yung rice cooker sa ilalim niya. Yan yung steamer na pulot ko lang din yan. Marami pang bagay. So that's all for today. Happy birthday, sister. I love you.